Hi, everybody. Welcome again to our yoga course. And today we will learn about Shavasana. It's a very important part of the class. So we will take it slow and spend some time down regulating and getting ready for it. It's like pressing a brake very slowly, just so the nervous system slows down and then you can enter Shavasana with a calm mind. And feel free to use any props that you need: blankets, blocks, cushions, eye pillows, anything you need, just to make sure you feel comfortable and nothing will bother you during the process. So we will begin by laying on the mat. Let's start with taking a few gentle breaths and feel our body relax into the present. Leave all the expectations, worries, and to-do list out of the door and give yourself a permission to spend the next 30 minutes just to be here and now, fully enjoying the practice. We'll begin with easy rolling. You can extend the arm the closer to the screen, bend the opposite leg, press with the leg and roll slowly on the side. Repeat a few times, massaging the side body. Bring all your attention inside and notice the sensations. We will extend the other arm and do the same on the other side. Rolling on the side helps to hydrate the connective tissue, increase the blood flow, and downregulate the nervous system. There's no rules on how to roll. You can experiment, try different things. Imagine yourself like a child, just having fun, rolling on the floor. Move slowly, consciously, and bring your attention inside. Roll all the way to laying flat on the back. Feel free to use any props for extra comfort. I like to roll the blanket under the knees or use an eye pillow. We will spend about 15 minutes in Shavasana. Legs extended, comfortable distance apart. The feet fall open to the sides naturally. The arms rest close to the body, palms facing up. Tug the chin down slightly and feel the extension in the back of the neck. Take a deep inhale, lift the shoulders and hips off the mat, and on the exhale, let them fall down and sink back into the mat. Make sure there's no tension in your body. Everything is completely relaxed. Sink deeper and deeper into the mat with each exhale and let the ground support the weight of the body. Let your body breathe without any effort, no control. Bring your attention all the way down to the toes. Let the feet soften. Guide your awareness to the ankles, calves, and your shins, softening the lower legs. Bring your attention up to the hips, pelvis, and the glutes, and release any tension. Notice your belly rising and falling without any effort. Feel subtle movements in the rib cage and the chest. Next, bring your attention all the way to the fingertips. Feel the hands soften and let the forearms and upper arms feel completely relaxed. Make sure there's no tension in the shoulders and the neck. Relax your jaw and swallow to relax the throat and the tongue. Let the face and the eyes soften. You can bring your awareness all the way to the crown of the head. Feel your whole body completely relaxed from head to toes, supported by the ground. Let the awareness rest in the heart space. We will spend the next few minutes just noticing the breath without any control, in silence. You can invite gentle movements, wiggling the toes and fingers to slowly wake up the body. Extend the arm close to the screen, bend the opposite knee, press through the leg and slowly roll on the side. Take your time with it. Spend a moment here. When you're ready, press through the arms and lift yourself up to sitting in Sukhasana, legs crossed. To finish the practice, bring both of the hands together to the heart in Anjali Mudra. Find something you feel grateful for and invite a little bit of gratitude into your heart. Thank you so much for sharing this practice with me. In the next class, we will learn how to connect everything we've learned into a sequence. Namaste.